So today we are filming with our mom. We're going to make we are going to make rainbow chip party cake. So that's it there. So see the picture.
That's what we're making. Except
we're gonna make buns.
Are them little things
included
in it? Yeah.
Okay, they're included.
So we're literally making that because it actually says
rainbow.
It says what icing you need on the back here. You need that icing, and we got it right here. So it should look like this, but in cupcake form. So while our mom is standing on a chair,
because we're making purple cupcakes, we could have purple cases.
All coloured cases.
No, we're making a load of different.
Because there's different colours.
There's going to be one
No,
rare.
we should leave the icing that colour. Because
No.
we have it. No,
No.
so then we want it.
I want to
Abby
color
wants to dye
First
the
of all,
icing.
we have to preheat the oven, which is 160.
160 degrees.
It's going to be a rare cupcake case because there's no
And
more.
to you, if you're watching in America, that's
cases.
not much.
Fill up the cases here.
It's going to be
You can put them over here and do them. Look,
Oh,
here, wait. Get the little ones.
I'll do this tray.
Okay,
Cupcake tray.
okay.
So if you're watching in America, 160 degrees is probably normal, or like a little hot for you. It would probably be like 300 and something degrees in America.
Make sure.
But we're in
the
Europe,
covers are
so we
probably
use Celsius.
like 3 and 4 and some of the.
Oh.
You can use some of them.
Oh no, I don't need them.
180 mils of water.
Boom!
There is
Rainbow cupcake cases.
and the pink with the rare cupcake cases. This is the rare one here. It's rare because it's the only one with that.
3 eggs, 90 mils of oil. We'll take this out, and then we'll put it over here. And we get the measuring spoons.
Yay!
Go to the biggest one. So if that's a 15 mil spoon, Jack, how many spoons do we need for 90 mils?
6.
There we go. Okay.
I'm a math.
Am I allowed to do it?
So we count them out. Okay.
Where's our bowl first?
So we'll get the
We don't need the bowl yet.
Right.
So now we're measuring
1,
out 90 milliliters of vegetable oil.
2, 3, 4,
Is there like a 1 milliliter spoon on that?
5, and 6.
What's the lowest it goes to on that?
2.5, I
Oh.
think.
How much? Oh, that's really
1.25.
1.2.
That's tinsy compared to that one.
But it also is, that's 1 tablespoon. That's a quarter of a teaspoon. That's a half teaspoon, and then 1 teaspoon. So it actually, they're really good. Christmas cracker present.
Oh,
Best
yeah.
ever.
That's in the Christmas cracker.
Okay, pop that back in the sink there.
It's actually something that you get out of a Christmas cracker that's actually useful. Where most things in the Christmas cracker does nothing. Apart from like a beer opener. That's amazing.
For older people. Why was this in the bathroom?
That was
That
because
helps
the toilet
cleans.
got plugged
That
last night.
helps cleans and unclogs things
It
as well.
freezes up the water. So
Okay.
that's why
Right,
we were
so
seeing some powder in our
we
bathroom
need-
this morning.
The mix. Let's get the mix.
Mix.
Okay.
It's in here. Busting box.
Oh,
Ah!
come on.
That's.
Oh,
You can show it.
You can see. Can you see all the like the?
Let's get my blitzer.
There's all
Little bits.
Oh, this is going to be loud.
Mom, can I cut this open and pour it in?
Yeah.
So for anyone watching using headphones, lower down your sounds, or we'll just blast loud music over this part in the editing system.
Did you forget that we deleted the editing system?
I
Make
still
sure
have
you
my
get it all in.
No, but this is on my eye. This is on mine. Oh yeah.
Just turn down your sound when
If you're only if you're wearing if your mom or dad gets angry from loud noises, don't wear headphones but turn it right down.
yeah, cause
Okay. So what's the directions,
We need to
Jack?
bash that up, Mom.
oh no.
What's our directions, Jack? You read it in? And really, you should have your hair tied back when you're
mix
cooking.
the eggs, oil, water, and cake mix gently together.
Don't
And
stab
whisk
it, Abby,
by
'cause you'll
hand
break
or
all the-
electric
Whisker,
whisker
not misker.
for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and
Okay,
creamy.
so we'll pop in
So
the
we
eggs.
need eggs. 3 eggs, I
Okay.
think.
Now, Abby,
Yep, 3 eggs.
don't make a mess.
Am I
when
allowed
you're cracking
to crack it?
No.
I love all
Can I
the
crack
eggs.
one? I love cracking
Right, well,
eggs,
listen,
Mom.
put it on that. So it's
I know
not
how to
making a
crack
mess.
eggs.
Right,
I'm gonna crack an egg, Mom.
right there.
Pull it to
So
the
we need to go
sides.
3. Make sure you don't get any shell in.
Oh, watch for shells.
That's it. Good girl.
Oh, that's 0
Pop
shell.
it in there. Pop it in there.
0
Okay, Jack,
shell.
your turn.
Ooh.
Jack's turn.
Ooh.
Move out of the way up.
Wait, how many eggs do we have to do?
3.
3. I'm gonna crack the last one.
Come. Okay, that was just like a big
There was
crazy
only
mess.
one came out, to
Okay.
be fair.
Okay,
So now my
Drop
hands
it
are
in there.
full of
here,
eggs.
here's some.
I need a. Oh, I need a. Yeah, Jack.
Okay,
No, I'm cracking the
last
last
one. And a good way of getting
Oh, no.
shell out, which is there's a lot of shell in this. Here's a handy tip. You actually get the egg shell and you actually scoop out the shell. It's really easy to do. So you use that and then you go back in, and if there's anything left, which there's actually nearly a whole egg shell in here because of Abby's lovely assistant.
cracking system.
Here we go. So that's all the shell
First one
out.
was good though. The
Okay.
first one is good.
And now, you just need to give it a mix very gently, Abby, because it'll only go everywhere. So we just break up the egg yolk,
Oh, you have to break it up.
break
Okay.
it up, and
we-
just scoop it in. And best thing to do is just fold it in.
This big lump of egg yolk
Okay.
that was left from the
Now
first
I'm going
egg,
to
so you
start
have to
pouring
mash
in the water.
Oh yeah,
Right,
water.
let's start mixing it, but not
Mom, our
mental.
mom should have
Not
her
mental.
own TV show of cooking. She's like, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that.
We poured in
bakes.
180 milliliters of water.
She's the best at mixing. But I'm
Casual
the best
Mammy
at-
makes awesome
No, you
cakes.
should. We're actually going to make a new YouTube channel. Casual Mam Cooks.
Casual Mom cooks.
And this
Every
video will
bloody
be
day.
on it.
Except we
Okay,
only
so
put
that's
the
the
interesting
eggs and the water in. Now we're going to add in the oil, which is like using butter in cakes.
So this is
It's kind of,
this is 90 milliliters. So
90
also
mils.
vegetable oil.
yeah, give it a mix up very gently, pour it in. Now, what isn't actually on the ingredients to put in, but I always put it in,
You
is
have to put it in.
baking
It's a
powder.
baking powder.
gives them, makes them rise, makes them all nice and fluffy. Okay, so it's usually only a little tiny bit, but this is how much I put in.
Just about 2 teaspoons, I'd say.
It's a big ass teaspoon. 3 should I have.
Abby, we definitely need that
We'll,
editing
bleep
system
that out.
downloaded. Yeah, we'll just get a
Okay, now it's all mixed. Now we'll just,
now electric
that.
mixer
okay,
We're going to eat it.
2.5 minutes.
okay, just pop it in there.
I was going to lick that one.
All right, guys, turn
Can we
down
lift
your
it
sound
now?
because here's the loud
Now,
whisker.
here
Turn
we
it
go.
right down.
Okay, now we'll actually turn it off until it's in, and make sure when you're taking it out, you turn it off, because if you
Before
take it
you-
out before it's off, it goes everywhere. Then your mammy will kill you, because she'll have to clean up.
Wait, don't try this by yourself. You're gonna have to put it on your oven.
Go ahead.
Oh, really? Okay. Jack, do you wanna try? Yep. Take it. You have to really whisk it. Don't worry, me and you will whisk it at the end, okay?
I watch a lot of cooking on YouTube.
There's also
I
lots
do.
a lot of eating.
I've done a lot of eating.
Oh yeah, we love to lick them things afterwards. Protein.
Don't do
shakes.
that if you're using it again like 2 minutes after.
Yeah, only when you're finished with it you can do it.
2 minutes of video time.
Also, another part of baking is clean up as you go, so
Yeah,
you don't have a
so-
big mess at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's for you. Put that in the bin for me. Push it together. That's it.
Turn it down, guys. A bit
Abby?
too late.
Put that in the fridge.
That's it.
When you do the 8 challenge is you take out your whisk and you do a shape of an 8, and if it stays there for a couple of seconds, which it does, that means it is
It's
ready.
good.
So we'll
Can me and Jack
unplug,
lick them?
unplug this. Okay. Okay, now here we go.
Guys, while we lick these, we're going to do the outro because we have like 40 more seconds of recording time, and part 2 will
No,
be
look,
coming in a minute.
13 minutes.
We're going to start.
Yeah, out of
Come on.
13.
Move the butts.
Oh, yeah.
Let's start spooning these in, guys.
Well, hang on. Guys, stay fluffy. Bye.